Namaste. Welcome back to our today's English class. Yesterday we discussed about the grammar part. Is it? What was the word? We discussed about the articles. Is it? Now in the today's class we have to go through the exercises. We have to do exercises on the articles. Okay. Come on, dears. All of you open your English grammar textbook. Okay. Hello, dears. Look here. All of you open your English grammar and compositions. Okay. And in that you have to open the chapter number 6, articles. Chapter number 6, articles. Already in the yesterday class we discussed about the articles. Is it? What are articles? A, and, the are called articles. Is it? A is used with a singular countable noun which begins with a consonant sound. We use an with a singular countable noun which begins with a vowel sounds. Is it? The is used when we refer to a thing in a particular. The is used for to referring of a particular things. Is it? Now we move to the exercise part. All of you open the page number 38. Page number 38. Look, here is a. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Dash ox helps dash farmer on the farm. Here dash ox. O is a vowel, so I am using an. An ox helps a farmer on the farm. F is a consonant, so I am using a. Like that, here is the second one. Dash oval can see in the dark. O is a oval, is it? So, an owl can see in the dark. Third one. Dash Eskimo lives in dash igloo. E is a oval. So what have to use? An. Is it? An Eskimo lives in an igloo. Is it? An igloo. Because I is also a oval. Is it? Next. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to do these fill in the blanks by your own. With the help of your parents, you have to complete these blanks. Okay, dears? Now, B. Rewrite the sentences using the wherever necessary. In the sentences, we have to use the. We already know that the is used for a particular things. Is it? Sun is a star. Where we have to use the sun is a particular thing. Surya hobne tane. So, the sun is a star. The sun is a star. Like that. Second one. We visited Red Fort. Where we visited? We visited the Red Fort. Where have to use the S? We visited V-I-S-I-T-E-D. Visited the T-H-E the Red Fort. R-E-D Red F-O-R-T Fort. We visited the Red Fort. Okay. Like that, you have to rewrite the sentences of third, fourth and fifth by the help of your parents. Okay. And here is C mean. Correct the following sentences and write them. Correct the following sentences and write them. Here they given some sentences. It is incorrect sentences. You have to make them correct. Okay. The Kolkata is a beautiful city. Here they written the for a city name. We have to write the for a city name? No. So we have to remove the and correct the sentences and write here. Kolkata is a beautiful city. Okay, dears? Like that, you have to do the corrections for 2, 3 and 4. Write them correctly. Okay. And here is a D mean. Write this story using articles wherever required. Here they given a story of a crow. Is it? They given a story of a crow. You have to rewrite the story by using articles. We know that a, an, the are the articles. Is it? By using these 3 articles, we have to write the story of a crow. Is it? This is the homework. Okay, dears? Now, we have to discuss the grammar in your textbook part. Okay, means your exercise part. After the completion of the chapter 5, the Dolls Festival, in your English textbook also they given the grammar part. Is it? We have to follow that. Okay, all of you open the page number 28. Here also they given articles. Is it? A, an and the are called articles. They are used before nouns. Is it? In the articles there are 2 kinds. One is indefinite articles, that a and an. We call it a and an are indefinite articles because when we use a or an, it is not important which particular person or a thing we are talking about. We are not specifying any particular person. Just we are telling it generally. Is it? Indefinite articles means we are telling it generally. We are not specifying anything. Is it? Here some examples they given. An Englishman can be any Englishman. I am telling about an Englishman. It may be anyone. I am not specifying any person in that. Is it? Like that, we don't use a or an with plural or uncountable nouns. We don't use a or an with plural or uncountable nouns. We have to use a and an for a singular countable nouns. Okay, dears? Understand? Now, another one kind was a definite article. The is a definite article. We use the with a nouns when there is no doubt about which particular person. There is no doubt about that particular person or a thing we are talking about. We are talking about that particular person. Here as an example, I brought a pair of shoes and a t-shirt. The shoes were more expensive than the shirt. I am talking about the particular thing, that is the shirt and the shoes. Is it? Here the earth goes around the sun. There is only one earth and the one sun. Is it? So these are all the particular things. For the particular things we are using the. Is it clear? Now here some exercises they given. We have to do it now. Okay. C1. Fill in the blanks with a or an. We have to fill this. Okay. I want to buy dash new car. What we have to use? New. N is the consonant, so I'm using a. Is it? I want to buy a new car. My brother is a dash artist. A. A is a oval, so I'm using an. Is it? My brother is an artist. That's dash good idea. That's a good idea. Is it? I'm using a because G is a consonant. Dash elephant cannot run as fast as dash cheetah. E is a oval, so I'm using an. An elephant cannot run as fast as a cheetah. C is a consonant, so I'm using a. Okay. Dash old Irishman went to a shop to buy dash pair of scissors. Yes. And is it? Here O is a oval, so I'm using an. An old Irishman went to a shop to buy a pair of scissors. P is a consonant. Okay, dears? Understand? Is it clear? Now, we move to the C2 mean. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Put cross in the blank if no article is needed. Okay, same like the C1, you have to do the C2. This is for homework. Okay, you have to do this by yourself only. Okay, dears? Now, turn the page. Look, dears, here is a D mean listening and speaking. All of you open the page number 30. Okay, here listening. D1. Your teacher will read out some sentences. Every sentence has one word from each of the following pairs of words. Tick the correct word in each pair. Here they given some sentences. In that sentence there is a word. You have to find out that word and write the correct word. Okay. Here W-A-N-T, want. Is it? In that there is another word. What is that? A-N-T. And. Is it? A-N-T. And. Same like that. Here is own. Is it? In the W-O-N. Own. W-O-N. Own. Is it? Like that, you have to do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 by the help of your parents. Okay, dears? Understand? This is for homework. You have to write in the textbook only. Okay? And here is a D2 mean speaking. Read the information about a girl and use the information to describe her to the class. Use the help words in the right column to form your sentences. Here they given a detailed information of a girl. Here they given a detailed information of a girl like name, age, our hometown, school, our class teacher name, our father and mother's profession, their hobbies. Is it? And here they given helping words. By using these helping words, you have to make it sentences in your homework book. You have to do this main in your homework. Okay. And here is a D3 main. Look. Talk to one of your friends and fill in the form below about him, her. Then describe the friend to the class using information. Here there are also two friends. Is that like that? You have to talk with your friend and you have to fill all the informations of your friend like her name, age, address our father and mother professions. If they have a brother or sister, you have to mention them, and you have to write the favorite activities of your friend. Okay, dears? You have to do this in your textbook only. Okay? Understand? Any doubt about it? Is it clear? Okay, dears. Come. Hope everyone has enjoyed today's grammar class, is it? And do the grammar work properly in your textbook part. Okay, dears? Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.